Hi, I'm Toby from Oxford Reality, and today I'm going to be showing you the SM France mobile phone charger. What you can do with this beauty is essentially charge your phone from the top of the table. This unit is waterproof. It allows you to charge wirelessly, or if you don't have one of the newer phones, you can charge via one of the USB ports. Comes with a dock, 4 charging docks. Takes about 4 hours to charge, and it will last about 15 hours. It's tamper proof. So once you've got it installed, you'll need one of these, which is the key, to make sure you can just pull it out nice and easily, which I'll show you now. This is the tabletop, as you can see, nicely indicated there. That's where you place your phone. In order to install it though, very, very easy. It just slides in underneath, like so, and you're in. And now, top part of the table is ready to take a phone. Just place it on top and it will start charging. Get it out, use the key, just slide it in, pull it out again.